Download Adobe Scan by the link shared by your teachers from the Play Store. After downloading and installing it in your mobile, open Adobe Scan and scan your answer sheets this way. As soon as Adobe Scan opens, you get a camera view. You can scan your images directly, your answer sheets directly, and press the camera button at the bottom of your screen like this. As soon as you press the camera button, the screen captures your answer sheet. The camera captures your answer sheet. You get blue colored handles that you can use them to adjust your borders of your image and click on continue, and you can just capture your second answer sheet in the same way. Make sure you write your name, class, section and the page number of each and every answer sheet so that there is no confusion. And adjust the handles according to your need and crop the image. And choose the continue option. All your images captured will be grouped here in the bottom right corner. And you click on the bottom right corner, you get all your images loaded in the screen. This is my first page and this is my second page. You can choose the color option in the bottom to maintain the original color of your answer sheets and slide the apply to all pages button. You can maintain the original color of your answer sheets. This is my page number 1 and this is my page number 2. You can give a name to your PDF file by using this pencil icon. You can rename it as Periodic Test 2. If it's English subject, type English and your roll number, your name, roll number and class in this way and click on OK. And choose Save PDF option on the top right corner. All your images will be saved as a PDF. You can preview them by clicking on this picture and slide your screen at all the pages. Go back and choose the More option and choose Copy to Google Drive option to share this PDF file into your drive. Choose an account in which drive you have to save it. Make sure you create a Gmail account of your own so that you get less confused. And you can create a new periodic test. For this, choose this folder. On the top right corner, you find a folder icon with a plus button that is used to create a new folder. Choose it and create a new folder like PT2 2020 with your name and click on Create. A new folder is created for you where you can store all your periodic test answer sheets of all the subjects and choose Select and click on the Save button. Now your PDF file is uploaded into your drive. Can you see that in the notifications bar? And your PDF file is uploaded. Now, after uploading your file into the Google Drive, WhatsApp and Click on the form link where you have to submit your answer sheet. The form will be opened for us in the Google Chrome, and make sure you're attempting your form using your own account. For this, you have to switch your account if necessary to your own account if it is signed in with a different account. And now write down your name, class, roll number, and you can add your file from here. Choose add file, go to more and choose your drive and browse for your folder. You can search for your folder from here. I named it as PT2 2020 Rita, and there you can see your file saved. Choose the file and click on select. Your file gets uploaded into your form, and now click on submit. And that is how your response is submitted in your Google form. Thank you.